Let's prove the following trigonometric identities. Cosine beta minus sine beta equals cosine beta cotangent beta. Marco, kailangan mo i-announce? Batang to. Ayun ha. Pili ka yung medyo mas complicated na side. So, kung ako papapiliin dito, ang gagalawin ko na lang yung nasa left side. Kasi, wala, may subtraction kasi siya eh. Hindi mo kailangan galawin pareho nasa sayo yan. Pero, kahit hindi na. Ito lang, left side yung balak kong galawin dyan. So, I'll move the left side. I will be modifying the left side because I feel that it is more complicated. Tulad ng relationship. Hindi yung dalawa. Ayan. So, I will be changing cosecant. I think I will use reciprocal identity. Kasi sine to, di ba? Sine yung sa kasamahan ni reciprocal. So, I will be changing this to 1 over sine beta minus sine beta. Mag-off cam ko na. Babagal yung internet. Equals. Sorry. Cosine beta. Mamaya na natin sulat. Ulit-ulit lang naman yan. Alright. So, what I used here is, again, modified reciprocal. I used modified reciprocal. And then, what do you think could we do here? This sign over here, the second term, has a denominator 1, no? So, I could use LCT. Kasi when you have a fraction, yep, correct. Sine beta will be the denominator. Very good. So sine divided by sine, that's 1. 1 times 1. 1 minus this one, I'll get sine squared beta. Tama. 2/4 plus 1/6. Ayan. Ano LCD natin? LCD natin, 12. 24 LCD. Na-imagine ko na yung nasa isip niyo. Okay. Divide and then multiply. 12 divided by 4. That's 3. 3 times 2. 6. Kasi pag nilowest term mo tong 6 over 12, that's 2/4 or 1/2. Next. 12 divided by 6. Divide muna ha. 12 divided by 6. 2. 2 times 1. 2. Copy the same. Ulit pag nilowest term mo yung 212, di ba 1/6 yun? So, ang tawag dito is solving by LCD. Ganun siya ha. Uy, primo, kumusta naman? Mission accomplished? Siya, success. Very good. Okay, let's continue. Now we have the answer, 8/12. Tapos lowest term mo na lang ulit. Gets nyo na yung concept Gets nyo na, naalala nyo na paano mag-LCD. Kung naaalala na, papusuan. Kung isa pang example, party. Yan, puso na. Very good, very good. Okay, ganun mag-LCD, no? Gagamitin natin yung same concept na yon dito sa discussion natin. Alright. So, ang given natin yan, 1 over sine beta minus sine beta over 1. Bex, anong LCD? Anong denominator nila? Diba? Sine beta. Alright. Diba? Yan. Alam na nila. Same process tayo. Divide, multiply. Sine beta divided by sine beta. That is, sorry na, abcd. Sine beta divided by sine beta is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Susunod, sine beta divided by 1. Sine beta, o sine times sine. Sine squared, copy the sign. Sine squared beta. Diba? Equal sign. Alright. Next. So, this is by LCD. Yan. Marunong na kayo mag-LCD. Deserving na kayo mag-grade 11. Ang galing-galing. Charot. Susunod na. Let's look at this one. Let's look at the numerator now. The numerator could be simplified using ano daw? Sabi ni MCD. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-cancel dyan mga inday. May subtraction yan. Bawal mag-cancel-cancel ganon. Ayan. Kulit-kulit. Kanina ganyan din Tignan nyo. 1 minus sine B. Pwede siyang Pythagorean. Ito. Gamitin na natin. Let's do this. We have sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. You transpose because that's what you need, right? So you have cosine theta equals 1 minus sine squared theta. O siya, change this to this. Let's do this. You now have cosine squared theta over... Ay, bakit theta ginamit ko? Sorry. My bad. You now have cosine squared beta over sine beta. Tada! This is now by Pythagorean. Ma'am, hindi pa rin niya kamukha to eh. Oh, look at it. Look at what I'm gonna do. This is cosine squared, right? So that means it's the same as cosine beta times cosine beta because it's squared, right? Right? X squared is the same as x times x. So cosine squared is the same as cosine beta times cosine beta, right? Right. So I am expanding. Okay lang yan, Iris. Tapos, ano nang mangyayari? Look at this again. Magmamagic tayo. Cosine over sine. What is cosine over sine? Cosine over sine is, tada! It's cotangent. Therefore, my friends, we now have cosine beta, cotangent beta, and it is identical to cosine beta, cotangent beta. This is by quotient identity. Quotient. Tada! Oh, di ba pinaghiwalay mo, tapos yun yung pinagsama mo. Nakuha na natin. And we're